Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and in this video, I will show you how to clone a funnel step in ClickFunnels. So once you have your funnel open, depending on the step you would like to clone, go to that step, and then on the right-hand side, simply click Clone Funnel Step. Now this will clone the step, but you still need to add it into your funnel. So once that is finished, you'll go to the bottom left here, select the the step that you just cloned, and then add it. So hold on here. And then you will add it to your funnel. Boom, there you go. Now, my recommendation here is to rename this funnel. So head up to publishing, and then you could put opt-in to, or whatever you would like to call it. Update the funnel step, and now you have it, and you can simply move this step wherever you would like within the funnel.